can see that ours is showing errors. We can slide down to car settings in setup. Select original car screen resolution. Select original car screen resolution to choose your original car's resolution. Now you can see that our display is normal. Select System to turn on the SE Car's BT channel option. Scroll down to Car Settings and turn off the Auto Switch to All option. Go to the original car interface to connect the original car's Bluetooth. At this point, go back to our Linux interface and connect the Linux Bluetooth. It will automatically enter the CarPlay interface after successful connection. At this point, Linux Bluetooth will automatically disconnect and OEM Bluetooth will stay connected. You can see that the CarPlay sound is also normal. This is a car loader with our new system. Now let's demonstrate how to connect the wireless CarPlay. First, open your phone in Settings, turn on Bluetooth, and pair your phone with your car's Bluetooth. After successful connection, it will automatically enter multimedia interface. Option to use the map function and music software to play music.